Hi guys, just a little video about the SG55 plasma torch consumables. On the SG55 plasma cutter consumables. Yeah, it's a standard SG55 plasma torch. Today's just a generic torch out of China. Nothing too flash really. Available quite widely. It just has your basic pink ceramic on it, like so. Has your plasma cutting tip and your plasma cutting electrode. SG55s may depend on what country you are, what the name of the torch is, but we're known here SG55. Has your ceramic built into the torch head. I have never really buggered one of these, but you never know. If you have issues with your torch, maybe you should just check that out to make sure that it's swirling properly. And that's no drama with that. So it's pretty easy really. Just put your electrode back in. Just screw it in like so. These last a reasonable amount of time, but you need to make sure your ear's dry when you're running it through your compressor. Run it through a dryer or something. Just put the tip back on like so. And just your standard SG55 pink ceramic like so. And that's it basically. But you can change the ceramic on these. This is just the standard SG55 torch ceramic. But you can change it to the SG55. Oh, sorry about that. The SG55 with the spacer in it. So that has room for the spacer, and this is just a wire spacer that you can buy for an SG55 torch, and we just slide that on there like so. SG55 torch spacer, and then when you're cutting, it gives you more control over your cut. Holds the electrode the exact distance from your work, because this is on your work. You don't get so much blowback, therefore you don't bugger your tip so quickly. So I use this, but it's fine to use just with the standard one. I mean, the prices of this ceramic and the standard ceramic is virtually the same anyway. But some people prefer to use the tip guide, and some people don't. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Hope you learned something. I'll put a couple of links in the description below if you want to come to my site or you want to buy it on the net somewhere. It's all good. Just click the link below and we'll see you next time. Thank you.